Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp notifications in the Thomson tablet TOI 14P. So, at the start, always check that you have deactivated the Do Not Disturb mode. So, open the top menu, expand the icons, and now make sure that you have this feature deactivated. Like here, like now. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon. Oh, no, not this device, so we have to open the settings. Then look for the apps and notifications. And tap on the CL apps. Now slide down to the WhatsApp and open it. After that, go to the permissions. And now make sure that you have camera, microphone, storage activated. After that, go to the notifications. Of course, you have to turn it on and expand the advanced. Then allow the notification dots. After that, open the mobile data and Wi-Fi, enable the unrestricted data usage and background data. You can also try to clear the files of your WhatsApp app, so tap on the clear storage and tap on OK. After that, log in again to the WhatsApp icon and look for the notifications again. After that, go to the system and tap on the advanced, choose the reset options. Tap on the network settings, tap on the reset settings, and tap on this button again. And the last tip, try to update the system, so go to system update, and if you have an update, just download it and install. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.